In this video, I'll be explaining to you how you can scan QR codes using your phone. Well, in a recent upload, we features free Clash Royale QR codes. And I'll be explaining to you how you can scan those QR codes since they'll be giving you free exclusive tower skins, banners, decorations, or emotes. First is to make sure that you have already downloaded a scanner or QR scanner into your phone. Well, you can download them directly into your Play Store or App Store and just select an application and then install them. Next is if you have a pre-installed scanner tool into your phone, that's a better option. So just open this application and then position it into the QR code. So make sure that it is covering the whole QR code since we want to receive this reward. So after scanning it, just click the go to website and there it will redirect us to our application. And there this will redirect you into asking if you want to claim the reward. That's it. That's how you can scan these QR codes using your phone easily, and thank you for listening.